Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove Google Authenticator from MEXC Global. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC Global application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download MEXC Global? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar type MEXC and follow through the on-screen instructions to install the app. Of course, after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. In the sign up page, you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account, whichever one you choose. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on MEXC. So now that we're here, let's really hop into today's text, and that is how to remove Google Authenticator from MEXC. So let's say you have followed through the on-screen prompts to link your Google Authenticator to MEXC, and you just do not want to proceed with that connection again and just want to get rid of that connection. You want to disconnect. Here's exactly what you can do to remove your Google Authenticator from MEXC. Now from this homepage, head over to the top left corner of your screen. You have your profile icon. Click on that and it takes you right into this window where you have a couple of features which include fee settings, referral, security, transactions, settings, API management, join MEXC community. You have customer service and support. You have rate us, and you have server selection all the way down to logout. Go ahead and click on security. Now once you click on security, if you have linked your Google Authenticator already to your MEXC account, you're going to see the connection right here under this security tab, or in this particular window, you're going to find that connection to Google Authenticator already linked. Now, for you to remove it, right next to Google Authenticator in this page, you're going to see an option that says remove. All right, you're going to see the remove button right next to Google Authenticator in this page. So go ahead and click on the remove button and then confirm that you want to remove or you want to unlink. After removing, that's pretty much it. You'll be able to remove your Google Authenticator from MEXC. So if you have already linked Google Authenticator, you're going to see the remove button right next to it. Click on that and remove. Now you can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.